To subscribe to my channel, click on that red subscribe button and do click on the bell icon button to get notified. Hi guys, Tanisha here and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll show you how you can make this pretty looking name plate. Now you can use it for your home or just hang it on your door or anything. So these are all the things that you will need. Here I'm taking a thick cardboard. You could also take a wooden, plank or anything you have. Next, I'm going to take a ice cream stick and first I'm going to cut out the curved corners like this. And then I'll divide the ice cream stick into 2 or 3 parts. So this is how it's going to look. Now I will start arranging this on my, wooden plank or the cardboard that you have. This is how I'm going to arrange it so it will end up looking like brick. Now I'm going to take some Fevicol and just stick all of them onto this. Here you could again use hot glue or any kind of glue. I just stuck to Fevicol. I'm going to do the same thing on the whole cardboard piece. Once you've stuck all the ice cream sticks, you have to leave this aside for at least 10 to 15 minutes for it to dry. Now this is how it looks once it's dried off. Now I'm going to take a scissors and cut off all the excess ice cream sticks. Next, I'm going to take a paper and make some flowers. So for this, I'm taking a compass and just drawing a random circle of any size. Then I'll just cut this circle out. Now on this circle, I'll start drawing a spiral. If you happen to recreate any of my DIYs, then do tag me on my social media with the hashtag Tanisha's Craft House because I just love to see your recreations. You need to roll the whole spiral like this. And once you roll the whole thing, you'll get this cute looking flower. Personally, I just love these flowers because they're so easy to make and they end up looking so pretty. Now I'm just going to stick it off using some Fevicol. Now again, you can use any kind of glue. You can even use hot glue to do this. So our flower is ready. Now I've made quite many of them in different colors. Now using these flowers, I'm just going to create a pattern on my brick wall. I've also cut out some leaves from a green velvet paper. I'm just going to place them between these flowers to give it a more realistic look. So I'm just going to go ahead and stick them with Fevicol. So this is how it looks. Now personally, I just love how this looks. Next, from a glitter foam sheet, I've cut out the word Trived Villa. Now you could go ahead and cut anything you want. You could even just cut out welcome and stick it and just put it on your room door or anywhere. Now this is how it looks. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna go ahead and stick this with Fevicol. So once this is done, I decided to make it look more realistic. So I just took some brown paint and started painting it on the edges so that it just gives a brick wall or a wood wall kind of a finish. I'm going to do the same thing on the complete piece. Now this is completely optional. It's not necessary to do this, but I just felt that it looked more good with this, so I just went ahead and painted the whole thing. This is how it looks once it's completely painted. Next, you can take any kind of rope or ribbon and just stick it on the back for you to hang it. This is how it's going to look in the end. So that's it for my today's video. If you're new to my channel and you have liked what you have seen so far, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Also follow me on my social media, the links for which will be given in the description box below. Thanks for watching. I'll meet you in my next video. Bye bye.